हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। तो आज हम लोग इंग्लिश का मॉक देने जा रहे हैं, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वन हु वर्क्स फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द वुमेन, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, फेमिनिस्ट ऑब्वियसली। रिलक्टेंट एंटोनियम पूछा है। लोथ, केजी, इंक्लाइन, अबेटस। रिलक्टेंट, लोथ, केजी, इंक्लाइंड एंटोनियम होगा। If he dash to the meeting on time, he will miss important information. If he didn't come, isn't want तो नहीं होगा, doesn't come to the meeting on time. The lead investigator made the suspect to divulge the location of the hidden ledger after several hours of rigorous interrogation in the windowless room. Suspect divulged the location of the hidden ledger. Divulging नहीं होगा, had divulged. To divulge the location. The researcher noted that the results were not inconsistent with hypothesis, but also provided a robust foundation for the next phase of study. Not only not consistent meaning not only होगा, not only non-consistent, not only consistent with hypothesis, not inconsistent. नॉट इनकंसिस्टेंट लिखा है तो कंसिस्टेंट आएगा या इनकंसिस्टेंट? One who advocates for or believes in a system where multiple authorities or principles coexist. Popularity, popularist, popularism, popularistic. One who advocates. Popularist होगा. Select the option that express given sentence in active voice. The bridge was being renovated when it was struck by lightning. Someone renovated. Nahi. They were renovating the bridge when lightning struck it. They were renovating the bridge when lightning was striking it. Lightning struck the bridge while they renovated it. The philosophical or social theory favoring free movement or the fluidity of social class. Mobility, mobilism, mobilization, mobilian. Philosophical or social theory. Rigidly adhering to a particular set of doctrines or a specific narrow group. One word substitution. Sectional, sectoral, sectarian, sectorial. सेक्शनल तो नहीं होगा, बाकी मैं बिल्कुल भी श्योर नहीं हूँ, तो मैं ये स्किप कर रही हूँ. The expedition finally reached the summit of the mountain, their supplies being nearly exhausted, and them having endured 3 days of sub-zero temperatures. Yet the view of the valley beneath the clouds provided a sense of profound accomplishment that words could scarcely describe. Second, I guess. The captain commanded the crew to man the station and added that they must be ready for the storm that was approaching. The captain said the crew, man the station and you should be ready for the storm that is approaching. Said station, you must be ready. Ordered, man the station and you must be ready for that was. नहीं. Captain said let the, नहीं ये दो नहीं. ऊपर के दो में से ही कुछ आंसर है. Added लिखा है तो I guess ये आएगा. The restoration of the Baroque cathedral was not so much an attempt to modernize the structure as it was dedicated effort to preserve the intricate stucco work and the gilded altarpieces that had tarnished by decades of exposure to industrial pollutants and humidity. ये बाद में करूँगी, इसको भी बाद में करेंगे. Incorrectly spelled word. Believe, seize, receive, relieve. Seize. John is really good in playing the piano. Good in तो नहीं होगा. Select the incorrectly spelled. Paraphernalia, handkerchiefs, conjurer, indispensable. Indispensable. This story is about dash little boy and dash squirrel. About a little boy and a squirrel. Eight, either of the strategies will work for me. Either of the strategies सही है will work. अच्छा वो past में दिया है C. The divisive issue dashed the group. Half of them seemed strongly for it and other half strongly against it. Circumscribed तो नहीं होगा. Polarized अलग अलग. Castigated. Polarized. Sure नहीं हूँ. Assuaged का मतलब नहीं पता मुझे but छोड़ रही हूँ मैं ये वाला. मैं polarize कर दे रही हूँ. Disease that spread by physical touch and contact. Poisonous, contemptible, contagious. Suman will be fired if she did not complete the delegated targets set by her boss. If she do not complete, if she had not complete, if she does not complete the delegated target, does not complete वाला आएगा. Okay, अब passage करते हैं. Which of the following best describes the methodology used by the researchers to differentiate between happiness and meaning? They provide strict academic definition of both terms to ensure all 400 participants were operating under the same semantic constraints. They utilize statistical control to isolate pure variable, specifically looking for factor that correlated positively with one state but not the other. They focus exclusively on the overlap between the two states to prove that happiness is primary driver of meaningfulness. नहीं irrelevant है वो तो. They conducted a longitudinal study over 50 years to see how नहीं ये नहीं है. They provide strict academic definition of both terms. Statistical. Based on the third paragraph, what is the implied relationship between physical health and good life? Good health is prerequisite for both happiness and meaning. Nahi, as sick people reported a total lack of both. Health is a happiness exclusive factor. While it enhances one's sense of well-being, its absence does not inherently diminish the perceived meaning of one's life. सही है. Sick people are statistically more likely to find meaning in their lives than healthy people. नहीं. Having enough money to buy things you need is the only factor that correlates more strongly with the meaning than good thing. How does the author characterize the role of desire satisfaction in the pursuit of meaningful life? It is a reliable source of meaning provided the desire being satisfied are altruistic rather than selfish. It is irrelevant to the meaning. The ease of life and the fulfillment of the needs contribute to the happiness but do not add to a sense of the purpose. It has the negative correlation with meaning, suggesting that more a person get what they want, the less meaningful their life become. No, it's primary factor that link past present. Nahi, it is irrelevant. According to the passage, the temporal distinction between happiness and meaning can be summarized as happiness is retrospective evaluation of the past, while past to nahi present बताया था. Meaning is found in the present moment, whereas happiness is complex cognitive link between one's history. Nahi, happiness is situated in the immediate now, while meaningful involve the broader integration of the different point in time. Both states are experienced identically in the time, but meaning require more statistical control to be felt by the individual. I guess third one. Which of the following statement would be author most likely agree with based on the study's findings? A life defined by the forbidding conditions and difficulty is fundamentally incapable of being a happy life, but it remains a candidate for the meaningful one. The good life is a singular concept where the happiness and meaning are so deeply intertwined. Nahi. People who focus on the future are statistically happier than those who focus on satisfaction of their current needs. Nahi. High frequency good feelings are the most accurate metric for determining whether a person's life has a sense of. मैंने टाइम की तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. कोई बात नहीं. So that's it for today. Thank you.